Part 8, this is where we ended. Now we're going to do what we call a repulse monkey. You're going to step back with the left leg, push off with the right hand, looking straight forward. Push off with the left hand, going straight forward. Push off with the right. Good. Now, bring your arm down, pull down, and this is called flying slant. Come over to the side. Now we're going to roll the shoulder in and come down. Now you probably remember we did a move on this side where we rolled the shoulder in and we came down. It's the same thing, except we're doing the other side. We're rolling the shoulder in, we're coming down. So again, let's go back. Now we're going to step back, left leg. Push off, other side. Repulse monkey left. Repulse monkey right, pushing off. Come down. Take it across. Center of gravity down. Roll the shoulder over and down. And again. Side. We're going to go pulse monkey right, pulse monkey left, center of gravity down, and right. Bring the arms down, cross, over, flying slant position, roll the left shoulder in, roll the ball over, and drop down. Good. Okay, I'm going to change positions so you can actually follow along with me a little bit easier. So that was part 9 of the short form. Now, when you're going through this, remember to coordinate your breath with the motion. As you're hitting out, breathe out. As you breathe in, so I'm going across, this would be breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. And I'd also like you to start lowering your center of gravity. Start getting down a bit more. When you first start doing horse stance in martial arts, most of us are kind of up here. But after a while, I need you to get right down here, back straight, straight up and down. In Tai Chi, We try not to lean too far forward, try to get our back in a nice neutral position here. Just a few pointers to keep in mind as you're going through the form. Remember to subscribe to our channel and please click the bell. See you next time.